After you solve the first layer, now you have to learn how to solve the second layer of this Rubik's cube. This is the second step towards solving the whole Rubik's cube. Okay, so once you solve the first layer, okay, so once you solve the bottom layer, now in this video I'll show you how to solve the second layer. Okay, so we'll be solving the four corners out here. Okay, so this is actually an edge piece. Okay, so edge piece, the four edge pieces out here which are on the corner of the second layer. Okay, so we will go and solve this Rubik's cube. Okay, so if you do not know how to solve the first layer, please watch my previous video where I have shown you how to solve the first layer of this 3x3 Rubik's cube. Let's get started. Welcome to the problem solver guy. Okay, so now I'll show you how to solve the second layer of this 3x3 Rubik's cube. Okay, so in order to solve this second layer, once you solve the first layer, just go and look at the top layer. Okay, so just look at the top layer and find edge pieces. Edge pieces means it has only two colors in it, and find edge pieces that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so for example, this is a edge piece that do not contain yellow. Now this is a edge piece but it contains yellow, so we ignore this piece. Okay, so now this is also edge piece that do not contain yellow. Okay, so you can choose any edge piece that do not contain yellow in it, and after you choose, okay, suppose let's choose this one, red and green. Okay, so you can see green is facing you. Now what you have to do is you have to move this upper layer and go and match this color, the edge piece color, this green, with the centerpiece. Okay, so it has to be green here and green here. Okay, so since this is blue here, so we just turn this top layer so that we can find the same color. Okay, the matching color. Okay, so now green and green is matched. Okay, so once you match it, now look at the top color. Okay, so it's red. Okay, so the top color is red. Now what you have to do is you just have to just find the red centerpiece. Okay, so let's say in the right hand side it's orange. Okay, so but in the left hand side it's red. Okay, so it will be on either side. Okay, it will be either on the left hand side or on the right side. Okay, you won't find the centerpiece out here. Okay, you'll find when you go and check the centerpiece of the top color red, after you match it, okay, so you'll find it on the left or right only. Okay, so since it's on the left hand side, okay, so this red color, you can see the centerpiece of red is on the right hand side, sorry, on the left hand side. So just push this away from the centerpiece. Okay, so you can see since it's in the left hand side, we push it away from this left hand side. Okay, so once we push it away from left hand side, we will do the left algorithm first. Okay, so what is the left algorithm? Left algorithm, you can see on the screen out here. You just have to follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so you do the left algorithm once. Okay, so once you do the left algorithm, you have to do the right algorithm also. Okay, so whenever you are doing the right algorithm, you need to bring this piece on the right hand side. Okay, that means you just have to turn this like this, and on the right hand side you have to do the right algorithm. That is you can see it on the screen. Okay, so just follow it on the screen, just do once only. Okay, after you do two times, okay, sorry, one time left and one time right time, you can see that you just solved this part. Okay, so now it will be more clear after you do the few more times. Okay, so for example, let's look for another edge piece that do not contain yellow. Okay, so this is the edge piece that do not contain yellow in it, and the centerpiece green is already matched. Okay, so the colors, this green and green is already matched. So again, look at this top color. It's not on the left hand side. Let's look on the right hand side. Okay, so this edge piece, the top color, is on the right hand side. Okay, so if it's on the right hand side, what you have to do is, again, this top layer, you have to push it away from right. Okay, you have to push it away from this centerpiece, and now once you push it, do the right algorithm once. Once you do the right algorithm, now bring this corner piece towards the left hand side and do the left algorithm once. Okay, so just do it once. Okay, so and you'll solve this part also. Okay, so now let's look at another edge piece that do not contain yellow. Okay, so you can find it out here Now blue is on the right hand side. Again, push it away from the right hand side out here, and once you push it away from the right hand side, you have to do the right algorithm once. After you do the right algorithm, just bring it to the left hand side and do the left algorithm just once. Okay, so now you can see that you solved this one. Now only one is left. Okay, so you also solved this one, you also solved this one. Okay, so let's go and find this another edge piece. Okay, so now you can see that the edge piece that contains yellow only that do not contain yellow, only one is left. Okay, so because you can see this is the edge piece that contains yellow, this is the edge piece that contains yellow, this is the edge piece that contains yellow, but only this one is left. Okay, so now again let's go and find the centerpiece. Okay, so you just have to rotate this this top layer. Okay, so to find the centerpiece. Okay, so once you find the centerpiece, now once again the red is on the right hand side. Okay, so when it's on the right hand side, what you have to do is push it away from this centerpiece. Okay, push it away from this centerpiece, this. Okay, so and now do the right algorithm. Okay, so whenever you push it away from here, from right, okay, so do the right algorithm first. Okay, when you are pushing it away from the left, do the left algorithm first. Okay, remember that. So we just pushed it away from this. Now the right algorithm, R U R prime U prime. Okay, so you did it once, and sometimes people get confused. They think that they spoiled this thing. Okay, they just messed up, but it's nothing messed. Okay, you just have to, because people, most of them forget. Okay, I've seen my students. Okay, so they forget to do this. Okay, so and they are confused what to do, and they do the right algorithm 2 times. Okay, so I'm telling you this so that you guys are not confused. Okay, so we just did the right algorithm on the right hand side. Now let's turn this Rubik's cube towards the left hand side and do the left algorithm. Okay, so L prime U prime L and U. Now let's look at this. Okay, so we just solved the second layer of this Rubik's cube. Okay, so 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Okay, so I'll just do this quickly out here again one more time so that you are not confused. Just go and match it to this color, and you can see blue is out here. So let's do this, do the right algorithm, bring it to the left and do the left algorithm. Okay, so again for the next one, this orange one, orange and orange match it, green is on the left hand side, push it away from the centerpiece, do the left algorithm once, bring it to the right, do the right algorithm. Okay, so the third and the last one, I think. So blue and blue is already matched, red is to the right, so we push it away, do the right algorithm, bring it to the left and do this. Okay, so okay, one more is left. Okay, so red and red just match it, green is on the right, just push it away from green, do the right algorithm once, turn it to the left hand side, do the left algorithm once. Okay, so we just solved this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube second layer. Okay, the first layer, second layer, and now we'll learn how to solve the third layer in the next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are confused, do not worry, just comment on this video wherever you are stuck. I'm always there to help you guys. Okay, see you on the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on my videos. Thank you and bye bye. I'm the problem solver guy.